Hey Lee, what are you doing?
I came to the shop in the middle of the night for inspection of my most recent project. My most recent project is a University of Miami coffee table. It's going in a man cave. I guess you'd call it. It's got to be a coffee table because it's like right there by the couch. So we're making it out of a project panel, and well, we've actually completed the top, and we made it out of a project panel. That's a vinyl graphic design on the inside that's been applied to the project panel after the project panel was stained ebony, and then an epoxy overlay over it. So you've seen people apply things like this in a smaller size, in a smaller area, and usually it's done on like project rounds, which come really smoothly sanded, I meant to say. And this project panel was just like a regular project panel that we used. It wasn't especially sanded plywood or anything like that. It did have a rough surface, so being able to apply that vinyl to that surface was amazing. And then the way that the epoxy laid over it was also the exact way that you want epoxy to lay. It was beautiful. So I'm gonna start to use this application in very large quantity. I've realized from this project that I can do this in large sizes. So I'm looking for people who need commercial applications of this exact same technique. It would probably be good for indoor signs or even large walls that you mean to make a statement on or do branding on. I already do like pyrography murals for people, but this is another level because you get the color, you get the full dynamic, and you also get that beautiful glassy overlay and that protective coat that makes sure that will stand the test of time, which is the main thing when I make heirlooms or when I make things for companies. We want them to last the brand a long time. So I'm looking for more commercial clients for this application. Obviously, this one was more for a fan of a football team. So people who are fans of pretty much anything or need this application for anything, feel free to contact us here at Sovereign Customs by Design. I can do this, like I said, with small and large, pretty much anything you want done with a vinyl application of this sort with a graphic design. Oh, also, I made the graphic design myself. I designed it myself. So when the client came to me, he had some ideas having to do with his favorite players and his favorite team and football, which I believe is his favorite sport as well. So I wanted to commemorate that in his man cave, which would be kind of his sanctuary, kind of dedicated to his hobbies and the things that he enjoys. And I understand, how important that is to anyone, man or woman, to have that getaway, that secret place where you're able to kind of breathe and you want all your favorite things around you. It just kind of creates an energy for you that revitalizes you and gets you prepared for what you're doing next. So my imagination kind of brings me everywhere when it comes to this and how much that I can do for people with it. I really want to encapsulate some great memories. I want to commemorate some great people in their passing, if that, would be appropriate. That's actually weirdly one of my favorite things to do because it connects me with the person in a very different way. I'm able to understand who they were in their life and commemorate their death without ever having met them, which for me is this strange, weird, beautiful process. So I'm looking forward to that as well. And then also birth kind of has the same effect on me as a craftsman. And I really get to connect with my clients when it comes to that as well. So I'm looking forward to doing this for some people that are interested. Contact us, call us, email us. You can find us on our website and put in an inquiry for a quote. And as usual, like we're always asking, what can we build for you? Have a great day.